Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of My Hungry Family. Today we're making blueberry lemon pikelets. If this is your first time here, subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified when we upload a video. In a large mixing bowl, add in 2 cups flour, 4 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 cup sugar, and we mix. Grate 1 tablespoon fresh lemon rind. Add 1 egg, 1 1/2 cups milk. Add in the fresh lemon rind, and we mix until thoroughly combined. Add in 1 cup blueberries. Mix together. Oil a large flat pan over low heat. Spoon in your batter. Cook 2 to 3 minutes per side. Remove from the pan. Serve with a side of blueberries and lemon. Drizzle with syrup. Thanks for watching. If you like food, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you in the kitchen next time.